what's up, you guys? Welcome back to Mad Science Garage. On today's episode, I actually don't know what we're gonna do today.
Not today.
So on
Today, we're putting an aftermarket steering wheel on the E36 Freedan trademarked, and it'll be pretty sick. And we're gonna do some power steering because this car sucks to drive right now.
Yeah, this is pretty much like a really cheap eBay setup, and you know I know they say not to do eBay steering wheels and quick releases, but you know this is just until you have enough money you get a better one. Ultimately, this cost me about $60 total. Paid $26 for the steering wheel. Paid $20 on a trip to San Diego from some dude for this quick release. You can also get it on eBay for you can get it on eBay for 20 bucks as well. And then you need
Hub adapter.
a hub adapter. That's also $20 on eBay. So $60 total. Get a cool little steering wheel.
And you get to see some fine professional work where we took a stock BMW center cap for one of the wheels and we sandwiched it in between the quick release and the steering wheel.
They don't call us Mad Science Garage for nothing.
Dude, honestly that looks really good.
Yeah, it does look really good.
It makes this shit blue look less shit.
Let's get started. This is our new power steering pump. I'm gonna go ahead and remove my old one, but just to show you guys, well, it's out of the car. This is a 19 you're gonna have to remove, and this is a 22 you'll have to remove, and it's held onto the actual car by a 13 right here, and then two 13s right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get those off, and then we'll get this new one on, and we won't have that gym time membership steering right now.
Look at those muscles.
Look at that boost. Look at that boost.
Dude, look at the boost. Look at Alright guys, power steering is on. We have that 13 right there. We have a 13 right there on the top and one right next to the belt. We have one power steering line right there and the 22 right here. Oh, also, the clock spring is totally fucked on this car, and sometimes it likes to honk by itself.
Yeah.
I disconnected the horn so it doesn't. First thing you gotta do is take off the stupid airbag. Use a T27, that means Torx, not E-Torx, because that means external Torx. This is the torque. There's two of them, one right here, one on the other side. Turn the steering wheel, pop it out, boom, shit comes off. You disconnect your horn, that's probably broken, and this was not even plugged in. So that's pretty cool. And then it's a 17 millimeter to pull off the steering wheel. I grabbed the 16 by accident, so I'm gonna go grab the 17 now. Back, 17. Put the steering wheel straight, or what you think is straight. We fucked up the entire alignment, so it's not straight for us, but close enough to straight. Pull the key out, hopefully your shit locks. You brake. Oh, and don't break your windshield. You break the 17 loose. You unscrew it and whatnot. Get your 17 out. They say keep the bolt on there so you don't punch yourself in the face with the steering wheel when you're pulling this off, because some people like to get aggressive. You just wiggle it. Just wiggle it. Get some good wiggles, and it'll come out. And it came out. Next, you take this from Amazon, and we have no idea if it fits. Threads aren't very clean, and it doesn't want to line up, and I've had this issue before with another Amazon piece of shit hub adapter, and I've hammered it on since this is aluminum and that's steel. So you hammer a little bit on, you pull it out, you put the stock steering wheel on, you clean the threads, and you put this back on, and you keep going little by little until this sits all the way. Fuck it. That's good. I'm gonna tighten the bolt. The bolt will like push it.
Yeah?
Oh yeah, I think. Oh. Yeah, I did a pretty good job. My calculations are correct. I fucked it up royally. Cool, well.
Talk to the people, Vlad.
I hammered the shit out of it. I don't think these are gonna work anymore, or like the whenever you turn it and then you turn back and it unclicks. That's all the same shit. But yeah, I got it on. It took a little bit of persuasion, but it went in and then I tightened the bolt. You can't see it, but believe me, it's there. This is YouTube. You probably shouldn't believe shit we say. Alright, what do you guys think? This beautiful fucking piece of shit blue ring, or we go with just some regular black?
No,
screws?
dumbass. I meant the bolts are your option.
Couple final things just to let you guys know. Our alignment's all messed up, so for us it doesn't really matter how the steering wheel is aligned now. But for you guys doing it that have good alignment on your car, my best advice would be connect everything the way it needs to be connected, but don't tighten the bolt on the hub itself. The hub where it connects to the splines of the steering column. What you guys are gonna do is you hop in your car, you drive down the street maybe like 10 miles per hour, and you let go of the steering wheel. You see where the car is going straight. Pull the hub off, adjust it, slip it back on. Keep driving and adjust spline by spline until you guys get it perfect. Then you pull back in, you take everything off, you take the couple bolts off, you tighten that last 17 down now that you know that it's straight. You guys don't have to align shit. Boom. Yeah, it looks pretty good. It's a little too close. I can't move the seat that much further back, but I really like the BMW thing, and I feel like I have a horn, because you need a horn if you're a BMW driver.
Alright you guys, so that concludes today's episode. Today we installed a quick release steering wheel and we installed power steering. We also changed our serpentine belt to a longer one because we had a shorter one for our original power steering delete. On next week's episode, we're going to go ahead and start gutting the car, and we're going to install the hydro e-brake. We also have some little things to do, such as smog check, and just to get everything back up to speed.
Alignment. Badly. Horrible.
We also need an alignment, and that's something I'll get done within this week. But yeah, stay tuned for the next episode. Now that it's running a little better, we're actually going to get back to the heavier mods. Some more fun stuff for you guys. So enjoy, and thank you for watching.